Now let us understand some of the key terms related to AI and ML. So AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to any methodology in which machines or computers emulate decision-making capabilities. So if you have a smart vehicle, if you have a smart device that can emulate some of the decision making of a person, of a human, then it is termed as an AI. So that device is termed as smart, but the methodology of implementing those smart devices is artificial intelligence. Next is ML, or machine learning. So machine learning is a field of AI where you apply the artificial intelligence in form of algorithms to enable automated tasks. So the key concept is you are training a machine algorithm to learn. And how does it learn? It learns through some data. And as it churns more data, it makes better decisions. So the key point is more the data, merrier is the performance of your machine learning algorithm. Next is DL, or deep learning. Now, deep learning is a specialized category of machine learning where the structure of AI algorithm is layered, and I've talked about in the list of algorithms as well that once you have a layered structure of algorithms, of machine learning algorithms, you have a deep learning which create a neural network. Now, this neural network is something which we inspire from human capabilities of neurons, which have a multiple layered decision making, and that is what implemented in a deep learning model. And the last is a language model. A language model uses machine learning to conduct a probability distribution. Now, to understand it, sometimes when you are talking with someone, if a person is talking, you can grasp what he is trying to say in middle of sentence as well. So that capability that you are able to predict or understand what the context, what person is trying to say, is very essential for a language model to understand, and how it can do it by probability distribution, where it tries to predict the next word in a sentence. Now, this is the application of this you would have seen in, for example, if you're writing your emails. Now applications like Gmail and Microsoft Office are providing some suggestions when you're typing your email. That is based on those language models. It is used in your voice assistant as well, for example in Google or in Amazon Alexa. That is used to understand what you are saying and respond to you as well. So this is termed as a language model. So a language model are machine learning algorithm that uses statistical analysis. So it uses statistics to predict the probability of the next sequence. So it tries to predict which word has the higher probability to appear in that sequence of words, and then it creates a kind of a tree where it has multiple options, and it will identify the higher probability word as well. Now it can be trained on a large data set, then it's called a large language model. When you train a language model on a huge or humongous data set, then it's termed as a large language model, and it improves the accuracy and performance of that language model. So keep in mind, as the language models keeps on working, keeps on ingesting more data, more and more data, it improves its performance. So language models are often used as a building blocks of more complex natural language processing models, or NLP models, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. So the chatbots that we are talking about today, like ChatGPT or Bing AI, and virtual assistants that are like Google and Amazon Alexa, are using those NLP models. And Google's BERT, bidirectional encoder representation from transformers language model, is capable of understanding the context of words in a sentence and generating more accurate prediction based on that context. So BERT is the basis of BARD, which Google which Google has recently unveiled as response to ChatGPT.